Pollen must move from one flower to another flower for new seeds to form. Animals, such as insects and bats, help carry pollen from one flower to another. Play the video to see how a bat moves pollen from one cactus flower to another. The pollen grains of a saguaro cactus are too large and heavy to be moved by the wind. So, the pollen has to be moved by bats and other animals. The lesser long-nosed bat pokes its long, narrow snout into the flower to lap up nectar with its tongue. The pollen sticks to the bat's head, neck, and shoulders. The bat then flies from cactus to cactus to get nectar. As it flies, some of the pollen is carried along. When pollen falls on another cactus flower, new seeds can form. Without knowing it, the bat is pollinating flowers. Pollen is a sticky powder that flowers need to make seeds. Match the pictures with the numbers to show the order in which a bat helps seeds form.
We will answer this in our Google form.
You've explored how plants depend on animals. Now, choose a path to find out more about how people, water, and wind also help plants.
A horticulturist studies plants to find the best ways to keep them healthy and help them grow. This horticulturist works in a garden center. She is explaining how the plants grow and how to care for them. Other horticulturists work with farmers to help plants grow more fruits or vegetables. They may do this by bringing bees to a farm to help pollinate the plants.
Think of 3 questions you would like to ask a horticulturalist. Type or record your questions. You've seen that
Coconuts have hollow centers and waxy coatings that help them float on water. Coconuts can float on ocean currents from one place to another. When they land, they can sprout and grow into a new tree. The seeds of the water lotus are spongy, so they float easily on water. The seeds float downstream and can eventually grow a new plant.
wind can also move seeds from one place to another. Play each video to observe how seeds travel by wind.
Maple seeds have structures that act like wings. The wings spin quickly as the seeds flutter to the ground. If the wind catches the wings, the seeds move to new places. Milkweed seeds are light and fluffy. The wind catches their feathery structures and can spread the seeds over long distances.
Maple seeds can be moved by wind. How does the seed shape and structure help with this movement? Play the video to find out more.
Looks like this video will not work.
What other kinds of seeds are moved by wind or water? Research other kinds of seeds to see which ones are moved by wind and which ones are moved by water. Explain how the shapes of these seeds
are connected with how they are moved. Use resources such as books, encyclopedias, and the internet to help you find and gather information. Type, record, or draw your answer.